So this is the shade Beloved, by the way, and I'm based in Japan, so this information is all in Japanese. But it's bright red, as you can see here. Not very jelly-like, not very liquid, not too solid either. It's got, how would you describe this consistency? It's not very granular, but it is kind of pasty. Too bright? We'll see. So it just gives you a little bit of a rosy glow. And I think if you're older, I don't know, I don't care about the sculpting stuff so much and the perfect placement. I just want a rosy, youthful glow, you know? And this, surprisingly, even though it's a bright red, it does that. Not sure how much you can catch on camera, but I think it looks lovely. And you can also use it for your lips. And I thought this wouldn't work for me because I'm more of a neutral to pink undertone, and I thought this would be too tomatoey for me. Too much orange, but it's not bad. It works too. I have to admit though, I use it more for my cheeks, not because I don't like the color of this on my lips. I think it looks great, but it does dry up a little bit on time, which is great for the cheeks, but perhaps not as good for the lips. And what I also like about this little guy is the luxe packaging and this compact size, perfect for travel, even though it's a bit weighty. This is the kind of product I like. I'm hooked on this brand now. I've got a few of their products. Great if you've got older skin, I think, so recommend.